At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com weekly crop report for February 2nd, 2012. This is Michelle Lamrant, commodity research analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. All eyes are on Russia to see if an export restriction of some sort will be put in place for coming months. Markets are expecting some sort of news out tomorrow for confirmation on this. An export group said that they still expect Russia to ship at least 26 million metric tons of grains. Europe's current cold snap has now claimed more than 110 lives so far, including 63 from the Ukraine and 29 in Poland. The Serbian authorities say that 11,000 villages have been cut off by snow and blizzards in remote areas. China's Ministry of Commerce reported that China's January soybean imports at 5.29 million metric tons versus 5.42 in December. February imports are expected to come in at 2.67 million metric tons. A Chinese government agriculture official is out this morning saying that China has not changed its grain import policy and will continue to allow appropriate volumes of imports. The U.S. Ag Attaché in Mexico lowered the estimate for Mexico's 2011-2012 corn production to 18.4 million metric tons versus the previous estimate of 20.5. The corn import estimate was raised to 10.5 million metric tons, up from their previous estimate of 9.8. Ukraine Ag Consultant Pro Agro issued an estimate for the Ukraine 2012 grain harvest at 42.6 million metric tons versus last year's crop at 56.7. They forecast the 2012 wheat crop at 14.5 million metric tons versus last year's production of 22.3 due to the winter kill that has been suffered this year due to very cold temperatures and a lack of adequate precipitation. Corn production is now estimated at 17.7 versus 22.7 million metric tons last year. And finally, Argentina's Rosario Grain Exchange says that recent rains weren't sufficient and the recovery of soybean crop has been complicated. They note that there is still time for soybeans to rebound, but some yield losses are irreversible and many fields have low pod counts. That's all for today. Have a nice weekend.